Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I.
Sanwanani, hello, Ekar, Ekaso, Ekale. My name is Pilile Portia Mthembu Olufemi, aka Mrs. Femi, aka Mrs. Jollof. Well, abanye baba offended ke ngoJollof no Jollofina, mina I'm not, and my man is not, so asingeni dawo. Anyway, if you see my video for the first time and you like what you see, honey, please click that subscribe button. If you're returning subby, thank you my love for coming back. So yes, I'm back. I know I've been gone for a while, but okay, I'm back. Yo guys, a lot has been happening. So on the 27th or 28th of Feb, we moved out of our old place and we moved in here. It's been quite a process, I won't lie. It was exhausting. We managed to move in one day, but then it took us about a week to just settle in to this place. So yeah, hey guys, and the reason why we moved from, okay, the reason why I moved, we were staying in Phoenix before, so the reason why we moved to Phoenix was because of work. I needed to be close to work since I was working at the airport. But then since I don't work anymore, like what's the point of staying there? Besides, there were other issues like water, electricity. If you've seen my previous vlogs, you know, like water or electricity would go for 2-3 days, which means now on top of the rent we're paying, we need to have at least, let's say, 5,000 to book a place when there's no electricity or no water for a couple of days, which just didn't make sense. Because probably in a month we'd have water or electricity would go maybe 2 or 3 times, and each time it's 2 days or 3 days. So definitely every month we need to have about plus minus 5k extra cash just to book a place, because we have kids. We can't stay in a house where there's no water and no electricity. So we're like, you know what, I don't work anymore, we're having this issue, so might as well just move, find another place and move. We found a place last minute, we took it, and yeah, we're here. We're happy, it's bigger, I guess, yeah. Anywho, I know I promised you guys a video telling you the prices of the Cape Town trip. Trust me, I haven't forgotten. I did film that video, but then I wasn't happy with the footage, so I will try and redo that video, and then I will post it probably after this one. I'll just add a Shein haul for you guys on that video. So yeah, this video is about moving. I know I started vlogging a bit late. I think I started vlogging once we had moved in here, and the reason for that was because my husband wasn't comfortable with me vlogging, so I just thought I wasn't gonna vlog the move at all until he asked me if I'm gonna vlog or not. So I just figured, if he's asking me, then it means he's okay. I was like, hey bo, sharp guy. I grabbed my camera, I started vlogging. So I do hope you enjoy this vlog, and I do hope you'll come back for the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like the video, and tell your friends, guys. We need more subscribers, please. Tell your friends, and then just, you know. So I'll see you on the next video.
단 손끝 사이로 네 마음이 내게 온 건 어쩔 수 없지만 What can I do? 배지를 돌려놓고 펜만 손에 쥐고 있어 I'm sick and tired 어떻게 세상이 가고 있어 Tell me what you wanna do 누군가를 I heard you 웃고 있는 날 Tell me what you wanna do
Hi my loves, so I'm getting my couch cleaned today. So if you're around Durban and you need your couch cleaned or your mattress, carpet, let me just show you their details. So this is some of the stuff they do, and the name is Cousins Carpet Care. Their details are there. You can find them on Instagram and Facebook as well. They also do your car chairs, so please just give them a ring. They're very good. I've been using them for over a year now. This is the third time they're coming to clean my couch, so yeah.
I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run.
Your fam, it's a mess. This is all the stuff we removed from their room. We still need to put back. There's not much space, but we'll figure it out. I'm also selling that pram because my son doesn't use it, so I need to find a space for all of these. This is dirty, it needs to be cleaned, and I'm selling that bed as well. So yeah, so they are done assembling the bed, and we're gonna go buy a mattress for my son because my daughter already had a bed, so we're gonna use the old mattress. If I have a picture, I'll just put it maybe up here somewhere. We'll see. So let me just show you what the bed looks like. We decided just to get a bunk bed, just a simple bunk, and we didn't want a white one. They said gray, but this doesn't look gray. It looks a bit green to me, but yeah, it is what it is. We're still selling that one, waiting for someone to buy it, and then we can remove it from here. I'm not sure if I should, maybe I should put some paintings there, or there's a rainbow wallpaper I saw on Shein, so maybe I'll just buy that rainbow and put it up here, and then that's it. That space is too small, but I'm sure I can fit some toys in there. Maybe Timmy's kitchen, I'll put it up there, and yeah, I'll put some toys there as well, and then we'll just sort out these wires, and then we are done with their room. So yeah, let's go shopping, and then yeah, let me take you guys shopping with me.
In a long run, baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathing,
Sugar High.
no bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything.
So, sa Punjan, sino matrasa singo?
Baca-baca mo yung live.
Oh, engan. Boy pang.
Pang. Sabi pang.
Sila.
Ano pang?
I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run, baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
Wangen. Ay, ben nga sembi.
Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Slide. Baby, let it. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide. Let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide. Let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run, baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Ooh, yeah, yeah, baby. No, 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 no. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run, baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run, baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
What can I do? 백지를 돌려놓고 펜만 손에 쥐고 있어. I'm sick and tired. 이렇게 세상이고 있어. Tell me what you wanna do. 누군가 앞을 알려줘. What can I do? Oh no, beautiful nightmare. 또 끌리고 있어. Beautiful nightmare. I don't wanna lose myself again. 이게 사랑인가? 난 널 바라보고 돌아보고 시작의 끝을 보고 But don't wanna let you go. This broken heart is lost again in the beautiful nightmare. Tell me what you want from me. Tell me what you wanna hear from me. 내게 말해봐. 아직 아물지도 못한 상처 속에 의미를 찾고 있는 날. Tell me what you wanna do. 누군가 앞을 알려줘. What can I do? Oh no, beautiful nightmare. 또 끌리고 있어. Beautiful nightmare. I don't wanna lose myself again. 이게 사랑인가?
Mama, teach yourself. Teach yourself. No, teach yourself.
Wait.
I will DM yes for that.
Wait, no, no. Wait.
I was pretty nice to say I'm
Listen now. I mean, you must steal some food.
That's what you mean. Do it. Do it yourself. Don't worry. I'm going to do it yourself. Oh, man, yeah, with your cup finish now, you're going to do it. Do it.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag har sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha någon som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur mig när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i mig när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag kan vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby. Bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life. För många nätter på lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Denna gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har en thing med dig, real love thing med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har en thing med dig. Ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby. Bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life, baby. En chans. Jag gör
inte jag sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara, har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha någon som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i mig när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life. För många nätter på att lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Denna gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har en thing med dig, real love thing med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har en thing med dig.
Say hi to the channel, guys. To the Jollof gang. Mrs. Jollof. Who's I never seen him face. This is Papa Jollof, guys.
I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. It's not gonna make a big pop.
Han gagger. Oj, vad det.
Ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life, baby, en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta i land. Oh baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska ge dig mitt allt om min for life.
Hi fam. So I know I've been giving you videos back and back without any context of what's going on. So we had on Saturday, it was my son's birthday, so we decided last minute, let's just have a braai and have like sort of housewarming, but like with close friends. So that was what we did on Saturday. And I just want to do a quick unboxing. We just went to pick up our coffee machine. We had ordered online, but apparently they tried to deliver yesterday and I wasn't available. But guess I called them and I went to pick it up myself. So I just wanna unbox that with you guys. Yay!
Ooh, yeah, baby. No. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
just a quick update, guys. The coffee machine has an issue. So I did give them a call and they said they're gonna send me a replacement and they'll come pick this one up. So we'll see. I was skeptical about buying this coffee machine at first, but then my husband was like, no, let's just get it. But now, yeah, we have to wait a couple more days again to get a new one, I guess. I don't know, they didn't tell us how long it's gonna take to replace it, but okay, don't have a choice, we have to wait. Yeah, that's that on that. My pictures have arrived. My pictures have arrived. Let me show you.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag har sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha någon som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i mig när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby. Bara en chans till, tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt. I'm in for life. För många nätter på att lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Denna gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har en thing med dig, real love thing med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har en thing med dig. Ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby. Bara en chans till, tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt. I'm in for life.
Okay, let me take you on a little house tour. So when you walk into the lounge. This is the couch. This is what it looks like. Okay, this we still need to sort out and find a way to hide those wires over there because I'm not happy with that. Just a normal table. And then this mirror, I'm still going to paint the frame black because I want everything to be black. I've already painted this one black, so this is next. There you go. We just have a small round dining table over here and my daughter's chair, which my son uses because that one we're selling it, so we opted to keep this one because it's more comfortable for him. Plus that one will make sense for someone who has a small baby because it's a 3-in-1. And then we move over to the kitchen. Okay, don't mind the pot, I was cooking supper. And then there's the kitchen. I just use that small plastic there to put dirt and then I move it outside to the bin because I don't want any maggots in the house. So here, this arrived yesterday. I'm still gonna set up this place. It's gonna be like our coffee corner or whatever. So I'm still gonna set up this place and remove all of this. I'm gonna get a stand for the books, for the cookbooks, and put them up right over here. Maybe get a plant or whatever, or flowers, and put them somewhere over here. I think I'm gonna move the machine to the side, and then put all the coffee pots and the syrup and all of that this side. So yeah, and then when you move the side, this is the kids' bedroom. This is the kids' bedroom. They're sharing a room. This is my daughter's old bed. We're still waiting for someone to buy it, so that's why it's still here. My son sleeps here and my daughter sleeps there. And then those are just their toys and their chairs. I'm still gonna find like a nice proper way to put them, like to display them, because I don't think this makes sense with the wires and whatnot. Still gonna sort that out. And these are the fans that they're using at night, because we still haven't installed our aircon. This is for mosquitoes, and this I need to remove. There was no lights yesterday, we didn't have electricity, so I used this because they can't sleep in the dark. And then over here is the bathroom. I want to show you that. And then this is the guest bedroom, or the bedroom that my boys use when they come to visit. And then we just put our shoes over here. This is my husband's side and my daughter's eyebrow on my side. You remember before, in the middle there was a place to put my daughter's shoes, but when we moved I just asked them to remove that, so they have their own in the room. So this is ours. There you go. And then I'll just show you tiny bits of our bathroom. I don't wanna show you our bedroom, so I'll just face the camera. Why is this open? There you go. I'm gonna remove this towel. So this is our bedroom. We're still waiting for someone to buy that bed as well. And then I need to buy a dressing table and put a mirror somewhere up there. So when you open here, this is our bathroom. We use that to bath our son because there's no bathtub in here, so there was no space to put any of our stuff. So we purchased this at Mr. Price Home, and we just put toilet paper, our toiletries, our skincare and whatnot. And then I got this from Shein, just the dispenser for hand wash, and then the toothbrushes there and toothpaste, and then it has a shower. So the other one as well is a shower. So I will show you guys an update once I've finished like furnishing the place, and then I'll do another video to update what it looks like. I need to remove those flowers and put something else here. Yeah.
Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she